Hey, what's up, Polygon holder? The condition is very critical of Polygon in the same time, my friend, and therefore a lot of holders are doing very huge mistake, my friends. So be safe from the mistakes and just only get a profit. If you follow my advices, 100% you will get a profit. So remember, this is not a financial video. I just advise you, please take a research, and after that, please research, and after that, take my friend decision. So this time, as you can see here, my friend, the Polygon price first of all fails down 6.2% in the change occurring. You can see here in the price it's really bad now, but don't worry, my friend, I will give you some very special advices and very special information. So I hope, my friend, after that you will take a very good decision. Change occurring, you can see here just in only in last 1 hour positive, but here, as you can see here, the USD price of Polygon is 1.21 USD dollar. That's really huge profit, my friend. You can see here, because the market cap is increasing 8.8 billion, my friend. You can see here, this here is the market cap. So I hope the market cap is been increasing if a holder are starting investing. So therefore, my friend, people are starting investing in those days in Polygon. So therefore the price will be increasing. I hope, my friends, they will give you a profit. Polygon holders, one thing more I want to tell you, my all viewers. So let's predicate this coin, please. But hope, my friend, you will subscribe this channel. Okay, so here, my friend, you can see here every coin will moving in this circulation. So therefore, my friend, I draw these two lines, and absolutely you can see here, you will better understand. To after a dump, every coin will pumps up. So therefore, after this fails, I am 100% sure to they will pumps up, and very highly they will take a jump. So therefore, holders, please, you will also need to hold down. I hope, my friend, if you or just only try to understand, is my prediction is very simple. I already predicate this coin, my friend, but this here is just an only I simply predicate now, to you will better understand. So my brother, after this fails, absolutely, as you can see, after this fails, they will take a jump. So therefore, I am 100% sure to after this fail, they will also take a very huge jump. And everybody know this from last 3 years. I have experienced, my friends, too. After a fails, they will take a jump. So therefore, I hope to Polygon will give me a profit, and absolutely very good profit. So you will need to wait for the end of this month. I hope they will make you millionaire. See you next time, Polygon holders. Please like the video and don't forget to subscribe the channel.